doing here today, we're on top of a roof. It's a flat roof and there's a little bit of water damage. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a non-traditional fix. We're going to take flashing and we're going to create a semi-stable barrier that we could put a moisture barrier on top of. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some tar, you're going to need some flashing, and we've got some screws to secure the flashing onto the deck. Alright, so enjoy.